Hello, kitchen enthusiasts! We're back with another exciting video, and this time we're diving into the top 5 kitchen sinks reviews of 2023. A great kitchen sink isn't just a necessity, it's the heart of your kitchen. It's where you prep, cook, and clean up. So we've rigorously tested and reviewed the best kitchen sinks available this year to help you make an informed choice. In the video description, we've provided direct links to these fantastic sinks. And if you're as passionate about your kitchen as we are, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our kitchen expertise. Let's get started with the top 5 kitchen sinks of 2023. Starting at number 5, Serkon Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink. The Serkon Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink is a comprehensive kitchen solution for the modern chef. It comes with a full array of features, including a stainless steel sink, waste and drain pipes, hot and cold water pipes, a pull-out tap, a drain basket, and even a solid wood chopping board. What makes this sink stand out is its battery-operated water modes, allowing you to easily switch between shower water, sparkling water, shovel water, and waterfall shower. The push-button drain adds to the convenience. The sink is designed for functionality. It's sound-insulated to keep the noise down while you're working, and it features an anti-condensation mixture to prevent water buildup. Durability is a key feature. Made from high-strength stainless steel, it's highly scratch and discoloration resistant. Its generous depth and spacious compartment make it an incredibly practical choice for your kitchen. For those who desire an all-in-one solution for their kitchen with modern features, the Serkon Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink is an excellent option. At number 4, Culinary Modern Drop-in Corner Kitchen Sink. The Culinary Modern Drop-in Corner Kitchen Sink is a space-saving masterpiece. Its single-bowl configuration in a drop-in format provides a sleek, contemporary look to your kitchen. Designed to fit in a pre-existing corner, it maximizes your working space and makes your kitchen seem more extensive. Crafted from premium material, this sink is built to last. The deep basin accommodates glasses and barware with ease, making it perfect for both cooking and cleanup. The top-level soundproofing ensures your kitchen remains peaceful, and the protective coating minimizes condensation and further dampens sound. One of its most appealing features is the easy maintenance. Simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth. All the mounting hardware is included for a straightforward installation. The Culinary Modern Drop-in Corner Kitchen Sink is a must-have for those who desire a functional yet space-saving kitchen sink that adds elegance to their cooking space. At number 3, Yuki Like 304 Stainless Steel Kitchen Waterfall Sink. The Yuki Like 304 Stainless Steel Kitchen Waterfall Sink is a work of art for your kitchen. This sink is not just about aesthetics, it's also engineered for top-notch performance. Built with 304 stainless steel, it excels in sturdiness, hygiene, and corrosion resistance. What sets this sink apart is its modern design and intelligent features. It includes waste and filters, making your daily kitchen activities a breeze. The large capacity and double-layer slide rail design allow you to wash dishes and prepare food with ease. The brushed surface adds to its visual appeal and durability. It's incredibly stable and can withstand wear and tear, ensuring it remains a stunning addition to your kitchen for years. Whether for hotels, restaurants, or homes, this sink is a fantastic choice for those who appreciate both functionality and beauty in their kitchen fixtures. At number 2, Culinary Drop-in Kitchen Sink. The Culinary Drop-in Kitchen Sink is a prime example of class and efficiency in your kitchen. Crafted from premium 304 series stainless steel, this sink is a durable and stylish addition to your culinary workspace. Its multi-layer sound-eliminating pad does double duty, preventing condensation and reducing noise. One of the standout features of this sink is its ample space, perfect for all your kitchen tasks. You can clean dishes, prepare food, or soak pots and pans with ease. It's corrosion resistant, ensuring it looks as good as new for years. Additionally, the sink comes complete with a drain pipe, cup rinser, and overflow, providing everything you need for a fully functional kitchen sink. The Culinary Drop-in Kitchen Sink is an ideal choice for those who demand a beautiful and practical kitchen fixture that enhances the efficiency of their kitchen. At number 1, Zang 304 Stainless Steel Waterfall Kitchen Sink. The Zang 304 Stainless Steel Waterfall Kitchen Sink is an exceptional choice for those who prioritize both aesthetics and functionality. Made from stainless steel, it boasts numerous advantages. Firstly, stainless steel is PED-free, making it safe for your family. The precision casting technology used in its production ensures a smooth, corrosion-resistant surface, eliminating health and safety concerns. This sink spool features a high-quality ceramic valve core, guaranteeing durability, a watertight seal, and resistance to hard water and debris. What sets this sink apart is its hand-drawn surface, giving it a unique, elegant look. Furthermore, it's environmentally friendly and easy to maintain, with a 100% water test conducted before it leaves the factory to ensure it's watertight. This Zang sink is an excellent choice for those who appreciate both safety and style in their kitchen. It brings sophistication and high performance to your cooking space. Thanks for tuning in to JM Express. We hope you enjoyed our latest review and found it helpful in making informed decisions about the products you're interested in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.